In this video, I'd like to show you how to save some money. If you have a pet, chances are you buy them treats. Buying these treats will cost you a lot of money. Lucky for us, our pets don't seem to understand the property of quantity. So they're just as happy to get a little treat as a large treat. Because of this, we can buy this expensive bag of treats and double it. We can take each treat and cut it in half. If you're a woodworker, chances are you have a bandsaw laying around. Well, as it turns out, whatever these treats are made out of, they are a lot softer than wood. In a very short amount of time, you've just doubled the number of treats that your pet's going to receive. Kind of like a 2-for-1 sale. All we have to do is cut each treat in half. And we just saved ourselves $10. Well, thanks for watching and double thanks for having a pet.